Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. So when you pick up this product, you're going to get my 4 awesome bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 email subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a technique, it's not a method. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up, and then I show you how to mail them from a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 per month. Now bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my free traffic method that I'm using right now in 2023 to absolutely flood my offers, my blogs and my sites with traffic. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword on YouTube so that you can get a ton of traffic from YouTube to your offers. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you access to promote my own product, Empire, and I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can literally promote it as your own product. So with that said, let's jump over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description as well. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description.
Hello and welcome to TechnicForce Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how you can convert text to voiceover in any language in Voisey. You can do this by navigating to the workflow definition section of the Voisey. In the previous tutorials, we've taken a look at the text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and translate text features. In these features, you need to choose a service provider between Amazon, Google, Microsoft Azure, and OpenAI and then specify your input and output languages for each. And if you want to do the same with another language, then you repeat the process. Well, Voisey also has a workflow definition feature that allows you to chain together various tasks into a workflow template that you can then reuse to apply separately to various source files. Like in this example, I can input an English text file, and Voisey will translate it into Japanese and Hindi with just one click. Let's see now how it works and how to set it up. Just go to the Workflow Definition section in the left sidebar and then click on the Add Workflow Definition button. Enter any name for the new workflow you want to keep. I will write Text Convert. Then select what you have to convert. I have text that I want to convert to audio. So, I will choose the I have text option. Then click this Add Workflow Definition button. Now that you have successfully added a workflow, we will add tasks to it. To add tasks, click on this View button, and here, click on the Add New Task button. Then give your task a descriptive name. I will say it in Japanese because I want to convert my text to Japanese. Then click Next. Then your task is added here. Now you have to add actions to this task to perform. To do so, just click on this plus button, and then you will see 2 options. So, I want to first translate my English text into Japanese text. So, I will click here, then choose the service you want to use. I will choose OpenAI here, and then I have to select the language of the text that I will provide. So, I will provide English text, and I want to translate it to Japanese. So, here, I will select Japanese. Now click on the Add Action button. And you have successfully fully added your first action, in which this Voisey work will convert your English text to Japanese text. Now I want to convert that text to the Japanese voice. To do so, I will add another action to this workflow. Just click on this plus button, and this time we will select the second option, which is Convert Text to Speech. Click here, then select the service you want to use for this action. I will use OpenAI, and then I will choose the input language, which is Japanese, because before reaching this action, this workflow has converted English text into Japanese. I will choose the voice of Nova, then finally, click the Add Action button. Now we have successfully set up our workflow definition to translate the English text to the Japanese voiceover. You can even add more tasks to this workflow definition. For now, I will keep this task only in it. Now we have this set up as the workflow template. When we run this workflow, all of these tasks will be applied separately to the source, and in the end, the text translations and the audio file will both be available for you to download. We can see our created workflow here in the Workflow Definition section table, and we can view it again by clicking an action icon. Now, in order to run these workflow templates, we have to go to Workflow Tasks, then click on the Add Workflow Task button. Then we will give a name to this task. I will give Text Convert Japanese. Then we have to choose which workflow definition I want to use for these tasks. So, I will choose the workflow that I just created, Text Convert. Then click the Next button. And here we can either paste our content into the text field or, if we have a text file, we can drag and drop the file here, then click on the Add Gig button. And the workflow task is automatically updated in our table here as status pending, and if we want to see the details, we can click the View button here under the Actions column to see the status, and we can see that currently it is lined up and ready to submit. For translation, it takes about a minute to go through the system, so I'll just pause for a moment here and then I'll refresh the page. After a minute, we can see that the status of our task is now success, and when we click on this View button, we can see that the translation and the text-to-speech are both complete, and this is all automatic. There's nothing for us to do other than just sit back and wait. We can see the files are available to download in the Downloads column, so if we want to download the Japanese text, we can download that from here, and we can see that our English text is converted to Japanese. To download the voiceover, just click on this, and it will open your voiceover a new tab. Let's hear it.
2024年の最新車種、未来への一発。2024年は自動車業界にとってエキサイティングな年になりそう。
It's nice, right? And we can just click Save in order to save that to our downloads. I'll just click Ctrl S to save this voiceover, and I'll save it to my Downloads folder. And now, anytime we have new text that we want to convert to Japanese, we can just go back to our Workflow Task section here and add a new workflow task here, and Voisey will run that chain for every language that we've selected. That's how Voisey makes it so easy to convert your English text to a wide variety of multi-language text and voiceover. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.